How to apply for Amazon affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for Amazon affiliate program. After that, you can also add the lines like India or Brazil or US according to your needs and requirements, and the places where you will be selling the products or the affiliates. So simply open it up. If the link has .in, that means that is the country where it is associated with, and for the US one it is the .com version. Simply open it up and this is how it will appear. After that, you need to click on this option of sign up, and here रोहित यार ये छुपा देना, ये information वगैरह आ रही है यहाँ तो काफ़ी कुछ. And here you would be able to check out different information which is required in order to sign up for this particular affiliate program. Now over here you need to provide your account information in the first step, and then you need to provide your website or mobile application where you will be promoting these products. If in case you have a YouTube channel, you can provide the link of your YouTube in order to proceed ahead. Now after that you need to fill the profile details of yours, and after providing all these, you can start using the Associate Center and get the links for different products and promote them. And this is how you would be able to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.